Hey guys, welcome back to Thierry Renos.
Today we're going to be talking about how much does it cost to renovate your bathroom and how much we spent on our DIY bathroom renovation. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll be posting every week new videos on renovations, DIY projects, country living, real estate videos, our experience on buying a new home, and much more. So you're probably wondering, how much does it cost to renovate a bathroom? So if we go into Google and if we ask how much does it cost to renovate a bathroom with labor, you'll see here that it says the national average to remodel a small bathroom is typically $6,500, but it can range anywhere from $1,500 up to $15,000 or more. And I do believe this is an American currency, so keep that in mind if you're in Canada, just like we are. So I do agree with this. This does seem very accurate, and it could cost you for a small bathroom around $6,500, depending if you're going to be doing it yourself or if you're going to be hiring a contractor. So at the end of the day, you have to remember a couple of things.
First of all, what type of renovation are you doing? Is it just a few updates here and there, or a gut job? How big is your bathroom? Are you changing the layout? All this makes a huge difference in the overall costs.
Number 2, what finishes do you want? Are you going for more high-end products or low-end products? Are you willing to compromise in some aspects of your bathroom renovation? For example, my light fixture was in pretty good shape, so we sprayed painted a dark brown color, and we were able to save a couple of $100. So at the end of the day, if you have expensive taste, you get an expensive bill. Guys, that's just how the way it goes. Number 3, are you hiring a contractor? Typically, contractors will give you a price for a whole renovation, including labor and materials, but it will also depend on the finish you want. Also, sometimes certain things won't be added on their price, such as the actual faucet, tub, and shower head. Some contractors have great connections, so maybe they can get you a great discount on certain products. Remember, you get what you pay for, so don't try to go for the cheapest contractor. You pay for good work, so think of it as getting a fair price.
So make sure to get at least 3 quotes. Do your research and see the contractor's work. Get some references. The last thing you need is a contractor not finishing the work or doing a terrible job. Trust me, it happens more than you think. It actually happened to a few of my friends.
Number 4, if you are a DIYer, know your limits. For example, if you can't do electrical or plumbing, hire someone that can. The last thing you want is a flood or fire in your home. Be smart about what you can tackle. I'll have more information on this on my blog post that will be linked down below. So make sure you guys take a look at our blog. So guys, moment of truth. How much did we spend in our bathroom renovation? Before I let you guys know, I wanted to do a little tour of my washroom and let you guys know where I got certain products, as I have gotten hundreds of comments and messages. Actually, I did a little count and I got over 1,000+ messages from all our platforms on social media. So we wanted to give you guys a big thank you for the support and kind words of encouragement. So to start our bathroom tour, and to let you guys know where I got certain products from, we'll start from the barnwood door. So when we originally thought of renovating our bathroom, we didn't think of changing the door. We were just gonna paint it, change the handle, and just do a simple reno with or a facelift with the original door. But this bathroom that we have is quite small. Well, not super small. People get offended when I call my bathroom small, so I'll call it a normal sized bathroom, but the door would go into the bathroom when you open it. So what we decided to do is we thought, let's get a barnwood door. I thought originally, when I told my husband, I was like, they're super cheap, like, we can find one for, super cheap. Don't worry about it. It's almost like installing a normal door. When I went to go look at prices, I got quoted anywhere from $600 to $1,000 with some barnwood doors, and they didn't even include hardware. So I was kind of worried that we weren't going to be able to find a door. But I kept on looking for several months, and I finally found a door on at Home Depot, a barnwood door, and it actually cost $199, and that's including the hardware, it's including the locks, it's including everything. So I was pretty happy about that. We actually just painted the door, primed and painted the door, and a huge difference, guys. So if we go into the bathroom, you'll first notice the vanity. The vanity we also got from Home Depot, and we got it actually for a really good price. It's not on sale anymore at Home Depot, but it's still a reasonable price at Home Depot. We got it for $699, and that includes the vanity, it includes the sink. It obviously does not include the faucet, but originally I thought it was just going to be a white vanity. I didn't think we were getting the cream color, so I was a little worried when putting this vanity in, but it ended up being perfect. The cream color just adds another element of warmth, and I'm really happy with it. We ended up changing the knobs on the drawers to kind of match the faucet. It's legacy bronze is the color of the faucets, so I wanted something similar, and we were able to find something exactly the same, guys. So the faucet we got from American Standard, the color is legacy bronze, and I absolutely love this faucet. Such good quality, guys, and probably one of my favorite things about this bathroom renovation is definitely the faucets. The next thing is the mirror. We got it at Lowe's, and I really love this mirror. I didn't know what kind of mirror we were gonna get. I was looking online, I couldn't find anything, and I was like, okay, let's just go to Lowe's or Home Depot. I went to both of them, and I was able to find this one at Lowe's, and it's rustic. It brings in like that wooden element where you see in a country home, and I really like it. I think it does fit the space, and it looks really beautiful. As I said before, the light fixture, we just did a DIY. We spray painted it. It was silver before. We spray painted it a dark brown, and it looks good. No complaints on that. We saved a couple $100, and we are all happy. So next thing is the toilet. The toilet we got from American Standard, and it's the DXV line, which is their luxury line, and it's really, really nice. Next, the shelves we got from Amazon. I'm gonna be linking all these products on my blog. The accessories like the candles, the plants, I all got from Winners, and the portrait I got from Walmart. So over here we have the tub. The tub I got, it's from Maryland. We got it from Home Depot. I noticed the reviews on this tub, and I got a little bit worried because people were saying that they were noticing that there was creaking in the tub. So I advised my husband right away. I'm like, oh no, like people are getting reviews of that. Like, what do you think that is? And he mentioned that it might be because actually the contractor might have installed the tub wrong, because most of the people, what they say is that there's a creaking in the tub. And Thierry said that could have happened with us too if we installed it wrong. Like, you have to level the floors, you have to make sure some screws are in to make sure that the tub is, you know, where it's supposed to be and not moving around. So that could be it. But hopefully we won't have any issues. I don't hear any creaking in our tub, so far so good. I don't have any complaints regarding the tub. The next thing is our shower head and fixtures, all American Standard as well. The legacy bronze, love them, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And finally, we go for the tiles. The tiles we got at Olympia Tile, beautiful white. It looks like marble. A lot of people have been asking me, is this marble? No, guys, it's porcelain. And we got the finish, like the glossy finish, and that you do pay for a little bit more, but a really nice finish. And I definitely like the overall look of our bathroom. I feel like it's much more than I could have expected, and I hope that you guys liked this bathroom too. And again, all the list of the major products that we used will be in my blog.
So we just spent below $4,000 plus tax on our bathroom reno. That isn't including labor. And we also got a lot of things on sale, and we have great discounts. We spoke to a couple of contractors and renovators just to get an idea of how much they would charge to a bathroom like our size with high-end finishes. We got quoted like around $15,000 to $20,000. And some contractors weren't even including the faucets and bathroom fixtures.
We hope this video helped you get an idea of how much a bathroom renovation would cost and maybe inspire that DIYer in you to come out. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and please subscribe and like this video. That would really help us out. Comment down below and let us know if you will be tackling some DIY work and any future videos that you would like to see from us. Thank you so much again, guys, and see you in our next video. Bye.